friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Creations. I know all the first year students of B Pharmacy are eagerly waiting for their SEM 1 results. So this result is also going to be published within 1 to 2 days. So that update also I will give you. But before that, I want to give you a latest notification from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. Those students are studying their B Pharmacy course under Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University have to fill their exam forms of semester 2. Now here I am going to show you live demo of exam form filling. There are 2 steps for exam form filling process that students have to perform from their own login. We will discuss the steps one by one. So first step is your subject selection and second step is your exam form payment. So students have to do their own login at this IOMS portal. Enter your username and password over here and click on login. After login, in this student profile, you will observe the option that is student profile. Click on fill student profile. So here in this student profile, again you have to click on your menu, that is 3 lines. In this transaction option, you will get the option that is subject selection. Click on this subject selection. Here you will observe your PRN number, academic year, name of examination, course, branch and your exam, that is semester 2nd. Here you have to click on your view form. So after clicking on view form, you will get this window. Here the subject code along with their names are given. Maximum marks are also given for each subject and all these subjects are compulsory. After verifying these subjects, click on save button. So here admission form details saved successfully. Then you have to close, go back. Then you have to wait for your approval of this subject selection from institute. So when your form will get approved by the institute, you will observe the payment option under exam form. So here after the approval, again you have to go in the transaction menu. Here you will see the exam form tab. Click on exam form tab. After the approval from your institute, you will receive the notification over here for exam form payment. So as you have filled these fees for first year B Pharmacy semester 1, these actions are observed over here, that is view form and view payment details. Similarly, you will get the option for your payment below this for your semester 2. And then you can make your exam form payment of your semester 2. So that is your step number 2. So till now you have to do only the step number 1, that is subject selection. Then wait for your subject selection approval from institute and then you can go for your exam form payment. You can do the exam form payment by online mode by using credit card or debit cards. If you want to see the online payment procedure, you can check my previous video of exam form filling of semester 1. The link is given in the description box. You can check it for your payment process. If anybody don't know how to do the online payment, they can check it in my previous video. The most important thing is the last date of this exam form filling is 2 September 2021. So before that you have to complete this step number 1 and step number 2. For any query, you can contact to your institute or you can also ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.